We're going to start out by looking at the dollar. As we say, we think it's more mixed. The Aussie really looks like, and the pound look like they will move up against the dollar. But the dollar looks like it's going to be stronger against the euro and the yen and the loonie. So it's definitely a mixed condition when we look at that. Let's take a look at dollar DXY. We have been positive in here as everything about the patterns are suggesting upside movement. When you get a swamped condition, as you had right over here, let me just grab this right here so that you can see. When you get that swamped condition right in here, where you have two cycles coming down but you can't get a decline, that tells you that that upward momentum that exists in there is super strong. This consolidation period now looks like it ended as the dollar surges up through that major 38.2%, and we had projected it was likely to get up to that major 50, up around 96, and that still is a possibility in here, especially after seeing these inflation numbers and the possibility that the Fed is going to have to get more aggressive. So that's something we have to think about. So the euro pattern suggests the dollar is going to rally into December, and I'll show you that in a moment. Here you have these patterns in the dollar, which are very strong, as you can see. This was that area right here where it hit that support zone that the dollar got swamped in that intermediate pattern, and then it began to move up. So when it was consolidating right in here, after all of these super positive readings, it turned neutral, and now, as you can see, turned positive again. Interesting, it was too strong to get under the 25. If it would have gotten down to the 25 and then turned up, you would have had a positive arrow signaling momentum. In the meantime, you see the slim ribbon beginning to widen in there. That's a good thing. You see how it happened right in here when it began to widen? Well, eventually it spiked significantly on the upside. Same thing right over here. So beginning of cycle right here, right here, right here. Momentum increasing as the slim ribbon widens, the slim ribbon PO green, and that is suggestive of upside movement still here in the dollar. So the dollar, when you look at the index, overall looks really strong. And remember that the euro currency has the greatest influence on it at 57% of the dollar index.